Hi guys, welcome to CodeMind. Carrie here. So in this video we are going to talk about what are constant into a C programming language. So constants are fixed value which cannot be changed during the execution of program, and constants are also known as literals. So what is constants actually? So basically in any programming language we need to use the constants. Why? The reason behind is that there are certain value in a program or a project which cannot be changed during throughout execution of a program or for a long term. For example, the name of a website or the URLs or the linking path of libraries. So these kind of things in a program which will never change. So what we can do that, so instead of creating variable for such kind of things, we create constant. Why? So that any developer in future do not change that value, right? For example, if a developer, for example a main developer, declare the name of a program path, the base path, into a variable, and a junior developer change that variable's value, then the whole project, the whole website or any software will be totally crashed down. To prevent such kind of things, we need to use constant, so that in if any junior developer or any other developer want to change the value of that constant, that he or she is not able to do that. So that is the reason of constant we are using in any programming language, and similarly in C we are also using constant. So what is that? Simple meaning, we can define it only once and we cannot change its value again and again. And here are some example of creating constant. One is using hash define, then the variable name which is length, and space its value, then constant integer width is equal to 10. So these are the two ways by which we can declare the constant and also define its value. So in the next example, the variable we can define like int a is equal to 30. We can change the value of a is equal to 30, but we cannot change the value of int width or length. So always we define that constant into capital letters. Why? So that the everyone can understand, who is reading the program or other developers can understand, okay, this thing is in capital letter, so it means it is a constant. So we will see this thing with the help of programs. And again, not if you are using if you are changing the constant value, then we will get an error. Why? Because we cannot change the value. So let's start a program to understand what are constants. So I am starting a program here. So if you guys have any query, any question, you guys can comment out. So I am going to a new file, and here I am writing down my program hash include, then stdio dot h. First of all, let us save the program. So I am saving it as c constant dot c, right? So I am pressing OK. So my program is saved. So for example, now we have to start main function. Main is a function from where the execution will be start. We all know about that. And here we need to, like for example, we can define here also. So we will define one variable here like hash define length 20, and here we have one variable const, then int width is equal to 10, and when I have a variable int result, right? Then for example, result is equal to 30, or let's take it as very simple variable, it is a, right? So what I will do now, I will try to change the value of constant. So let's change its value. Width is equal to 20, right? So let me first of all compile this program so that we can thoroughly understand, right? So I am clicking on yes and compile. Zero error. We are getting warning. Why? A is assigned a value but we are not using, so this sort of variable we can ignore that. And let's try another thing. Width is equal to 20. Let's try this thing. So let me first of all save this thing. Yes, then compile a program. So I am getting an error. What is that? That is cannot modify a constant object. So what is the meaning of that? So here is in line number 6, right? Cannot modify a constant variable object. So that is the meaning. So we cannot change its value. A is equal to 50 we can do here. So this thing here I am printing it out. So we can compile here now and you guys can see here error is 0. Why? Because I can change the value of a variable but I cannot change the value of a constant. So we will try to print it out. Yeah, so you guys can see here. So now we will try to print out the value. So in uses there is no difference in a variable or a constant. So the change is only here that we cannot change the value of a constant. So we will try to print here the value of a constant %d. Why? Because I want to print the value of a integer. Then variable name, what is that? Width. So same, I will mention here my constant. Then printf, then the value of a variable %d %d/n comma a, right? And get ch. Why? We need to make a screen still. Then save, right? And compile. You guys can see here no error. So we are good to go to run the program. So here you guys can see here we are getting an error. Why? Printf in a module or undefined symbol in printf. So yeah, so the reason is here I did a mistake here. Printf, it should be printf, not printf. So I did a little mistake here. So you guys need to take care of this kind of things, right? So compilation 0 and run 0, and you guys can see now the value of a constant and a value of a variable is there. So hope you guys enjoy this session. If you guys have any query, any question, you guys can mention into the comment box, and please do not forget to tell us how you are going through this C programming sessions. If you guys want a specific video, comment into the comment box, and do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Have a very good day.